Hi, this is Andy with TEC. We're going to look at an escalator that is an indoor escalator that is actually outside. It's a rare thing, but sometimes developers or people that really don't know that it's an outside escalator, they don't know the difference between a transit escalator and a just standard escalator. And using a standard escalator in a situation that is not meant for it can have a lot of problems. You can see the water that is built up in this escalator and what happens with it. You can also see this, the step chains, springs, and how rusted they are. And you can also see the electrical in the area. So really not a good situation to put the wrong type of escalator in the wrong application. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out our other videos. If you'd like more information on our company for the elevator consultants, you can look at tecvt.com or theelevatораpp.com. Thank you.